देखने वाले कि what is a real hosting in the JavaScript. So this is a very common question in the interviews. Like interviewers are asking the what is a hosting. So in that case we have to just give the what is the basic definition of the hosting, and we need to it's better to show the interviewer with one example. So in today's video we are going to see one example regarding the hosting. So I have taken one reference from the chat gpt regarding the hosting. So let's say we have the uh, this code say hi, where in this function say hi is the one function which we have created in the javascript. And inside this function we have just declare the two variables, declares and initialize the two variables. So but here the catch is that we are just printing these two type of the variable before the declaration of that particular variable. So as we know that where is not having the block scope, where the light is having the block scope. But in the javascript hosting means like all the variables which are declared are hosted at the top of the scope. So whenever the javascript see this code, so it's assume that, so basically it will be the assume what it will be the assuming this function as I'm writing it, it's below. So var name and let age. So like it will be just remove. So basically this is the hoisting, where the declaration of that particular variable are the moved at the top. But there is a difference between the hoisting for the var and let, and for also this const. So here the hosting will be similar for the let and const, but it will be slightly different for the var. So basically here what we are javascript is doing for the var variables, it's by default initialize the value for the undefined. So when javascript hoists this var variable before it declaration, so it converting its initialize this variable as the undefined. So it will be what it will be doing, so it will be just initialize uh, uh, this particular name variable as a undefined. Okay, and this let variable will be in the temporal dead zone. So basically, this will be not accessible, due to which this will be in temporal dead zone. Okay, so the temporal dead zone means this variable is accessible but it's not reachable, right? So this is called as a temporary dead zone, but its value it's not initialized as any, it does not have any default value. And due to this reason, whenever we are trying to print this both the value, the the var variables are giving like undefined, and this will be giving as a reference error. So let's see the output for the above function. What will be output? Yeah, so for this name variable it has given the undefined, and when we try to print this h, it is giving the cannot access the h before initialization. So yeah, this is the example, perfect example of the hoisting. And yeah, thanks for the watching. Thank you.